Speed, punctuality and service are all characteristics inherent to trains. We fly along tracks and distances become shorter. But Colway Railway goes even further. Colway, founded by Álvaro Colomé and based in Barcelona, is committed to comfort, quality and good design in the interiors of its public transportation vehicles. We belong to a diversified family holding company and employ a team of professionals with proven experience, which has worked with the world's leading railway administrations and construction companies. We carry out interior turnkey projects for new and renovated trains. We design tailor-made products to satisfy the needs and expectations of our direct clients and end users. Our products are modular, allowing for easy assembly and enabling cost savings in both materials management and in the assembly process. Short series, based on modular systems, provide easy assembly and allow for structural cost savings. Projects are always led by a single contact, a project manager who coordinates an interdepartmental team, covering every phase from start to finish. Our process begins when the engineering department compiles the first technical specifications in accordance with the needs of the client. To do so, it is necessary to review the data provided by the client, study the relevant legislation, prepare layouts, and draw up renders. At this stage, collaboration with the external designers is essential. Once the offer is accepted, a working group is created, bringing together engineering, design, purchasing, quality, logistics, and technical assistance, and a detailed plan is made to ensure that the prototype is delivered on schedule. The client provides the 3D car body shells of the carriage to be renovated, and the engineering department, drawing from its know-how and extensive experience, begins to carefully build the train's interior. Plans are then drawn up for each part, for the sets and for the assembly. This step facilitates the breakdown, which provides purchasing with the necessary list of parts. Manufacture is carried out by a large pool of strategic partners, though some commercial referral purchases are made, as well as from first-tier suppliers at competitive prices. We are ISO 9001 certified, and our quality department is responsible for approving our suppliers, controlling the production process, and checking finished parts. We are known for delivering material as nearly assembled as possible, in kits, substantially reducing subsequent handling during assembly. And as added value, we help our clients organise their production lines. Putting our all into every last detail, we equip all types of train and tram carriages and renovate à la carte antique trains in accordance with the requirements established by our clients. Railway administrations or construction companies, wherever there is a need. Unique and quality design using advanced technology is our raison d'être. We are the future of railway interiors, and we strive to put that future within your reach.